Think WD-40 is just for squeaky doors? Think again. What if I told you this $5 can of spray could solve car problems that cost drivers thousands in repairs every year? From stuck bolts to moisture damage, what you're about to see could seriously change how you maintain your vehicle. These aren't gimmicks. These are real, mechanic-approved WD-40 hacks that actually work. Stay with me, because number 13 will save you from one of the most expensive car repairs ever. Let's go. Hit that like button, subscribe to Car Care Expert, and let's dive into 13 insane WD-40 car hacks you need to know. Number 1. Unstick rusted or seized bolts. WD-40 was originally designed as a rust penetrant, and that's where it shines. If you're dealing with rusted lug nuts, seized bolts, or corroded battery clamps, spray WD-40 directly on the threads and let it sit for 5 to 10 minutes. It breaks down rust at a chemical level, making it way easier to loosen without stripping. This trick can save you from damaging parts and potentially avoid labor costs at the shop, especially for exhaust or suspension work where seized hardware is common. But rust isn't just hiding on your bolts. It could be slowly eating away at your doors. Number 2. Stop door hinges and locks from corroding. WD-40 isn't just for freeing things up. It also prevents corrosion. Regularly spraying a light coat into your car door hinges, hood latches, and trunk struts helps repel moisture and salt, which are the leading causes of hinge and latch failure. Mechanics often charge $100 to $200 to replace a simple latch that rusted shut. A quick WD-40 spray every month or two can completely prevent this. Now, speaking of doors, ever had one freeze shut in winter? WD-40 has a fix for that too. Number 3. Prevent frozen car doors in winter. Here's a winter lifesaver. Spray WD-40 along the rubber seals of your car doors in cold months. It creates a thin, invisible barrier that repels water and stops it from freezing overnight. No more struggling to open your car in the morning, or worse, damaging the door seal trying to yank it open. A $3 spray now can prevent $300 in weather stripping or door handle repairs later. Cold weather also messes with your ignition system. Here's how WD-40 keeps your engine starting clean. Number 4. Displace moisture in ignition system. If your car is hesitating to start after heavy rain or high humidity, moisture might be shorting out your ignition wires or distributor. WD-40 literally stands for Water Displacement Formula Number 40, and it's designed to do just that. Spray it on ignition wires, spark plug boots, or distributor caps to instantly remove moisture and prevent misfiring. This hack has saved countless drivers from unnecessary tow bills or spark plug replacements. And if your headlights are looking foggy and old, wait until you see what WD-40 can do for them. Number 5. Restore faded or foggy headlights. You don't need a fancy headlight restoration kit. Spray WD-40 on a microfiber cloth and rub it into your foggy or yellowed headlight lens. It won't permanently remove oxidation, but it adds clarity and water resistance for a temporary fix that lasts days or even weeks. This trick instantly boosts nighttime visibility and can save you from getting pulled over or replacing headlight units that cost hundreds. Next, here's a hack body shops really don't want you to know. Number 6. Remove stubborn tar, bugs and bird droppings. Road tar, dried bugs, and bird droppings can eat through your paint if left alone. Instead of scrubbing and scratching your finish, spray WD-40 on the spot. Let it sit for a few seconds and wipe clean with a soft cloth. It gently lifts the grime without damaging your clear coat. This can save you from needing paint correction or detailing services, especially if you park under trees or drive long distances. And if you've got stubborn brake dust on your wheels, the next trick will blow your mind. Number 7. Clean brake dust off. Rims. WD-40 can break down the greasy buildup of brake dust and road grime on your wheels. Spray directly onto the dirty areas, wait a minute, and wipe clean with a rag or hose it off. Unlike harsh wheel cleaners, WD-40 won't damage your clear coat or alloy finish, and it helps repel future dirt for longer. It's a quick and cheap way to keep your wheels looking fresh and save on detailing costs. Now let's go inside your car, because WD-40 even fixes annoying squeaks you hear every time you drive. Number 8. Eliminate squeaks from dashboard and trim. Annoying dashboard or center console squeaks are often caused by plastic rubbing against plastic. Spray a tiny amount of WD-40 onto a cotton swab and apply it along the seams of the dashboard panels or interior trim. It reduces friction and eliminates noise instantly. You won't need to tear apart your interior or pay someone to diagnose the rattle. Now let's talk about safety, because the next hack can literally protect you from a crash. Number 9. Fix stuck or slow seatbelts. If your seatbelt retracts slowly or gets jammed, it's likely due to dirt or buildup inside the belt track. Extend the seatbelt fully, spray WD-40 onto a cloth, not directly on the belt, and clean the webbing. Then spray into the retraction slot. This helps the retractor spring pull the belt back faster, potentially avoiding a safety hazard in an accident. A seatbelt replacement can cost over $300. This trick costs pennies. You ever get a nasty stain on your carpet or upholstery? The WD-40 to the rescue again? Number 10. Remove carpet and upholstery stains. WD-40 can help break down stubborn stains like oil, ketchup, ink, or grease on car mats and cloth seats. Spray it on the stain, wait 5 minutes, then dab it clean with a damp cloth and mild detergent. This method lifts oil-based residues better than some expensive cleaners and can save you hundreds in detailing or fabric replacement. Up next, WD-40 can keep your wipers working like new in just seconds. Number 11. Extend wiper blade life. If your wipers are streaking or chattering, spray WD-40 onto a cloth and wipe down the rubber blade edges. This reconditions the rubber, removes road grime, and helps the blades glide smoothly across the glass again. It can extend their life by weeks or even months, and save you from constantly replacing blades that cost $20 to $40 per set. Now this one's for anyone who's ever had to remove a stuck license plate. Number 12. Loosen rusted license plate. Screws, license plate bolts are notorious for rusting in place. Before stripping the screw head, spray WD-40 and let it soak for 10 minutes. It'll penetrate the rust and allow the screw to break free without damaging your bumper or mounting threads. This is especially useful if you're transferring plates or installing a new frame. Now for our final hack, this one could literally double your battery's lifespan. Number 13. Prevent battery terminal corrosion. Spraying a light coating of WD-40 on your battery terminals after cleaning them helps prevent corrosion and improves electrical contact. Corroded terminals can cause weak starts, random error codes, or even battery drain. Regular WD-40 use here could extend your battery's life by 1 to 2 years and save you from being stranded. There you go. 13 real-world WD-40 car hacks that'll keep your ride running smooth and your wallet full. Which one are you trying first? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget, hit that like button, subscribe to Car Care Expert, and ring that bell icon so you never miss another car-saving tip. Until next time, keep that can of WD-40 handy and keep your car in top shape.